In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fyers in Tradingview. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding how to integrate these two platforms can be a powerful addition to your trading toolkit. So, let's get started. First, we'll navigate to Tradingview's website. It's a highly popular platform for creating charts and performing technical analysis. If you're not already using Tradingview, I highly recommend giving it a try. With its user-friendly interface and robust tools, it's a favorite among traders worldwide. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, direct your attention to the Superchart option. The Superchart feature of Tradingview offers an advanced charting experience with a plethora of tools and settings to explore. Clicking on the Superchart brings you into the main charting window, where all the action happens, so go ahead and give that a click. As the Superchart loads, you'll notice the extensive capabilities Tradingview has to offer. Next, we need to access the trading features. And to do that, locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This panel is your gateway to executing trades and directly interacting with various brokers through Tradingview. Click on the trading panel to open it. After you've opened the trading panel, you'll want to find the brokers available on the platform. To see a full list, click on the Show All Brokers option. This will display every broker you can connect to through Tradingview, expanding your potential for seamless trading operations. This list is comprehensive, allowing for great flexibility depending on your trading preferences. With the list of brokers now visible, it's time to find Fyers among the selections. Fyers is a popular broker choice, known for its seamless integration with Tradingview and supportive trading features. Once you spot Fyers in the list, simply click on it to proceed with the connection. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Fyers account if you haven't already. Just follow the standard login process, ensuring your credentials are entered correctly for a smooth integration. Once logged in, your Tradingview account will be linked to Fyers, enabling real-time trading directly from the Tradingview platform. And just like that, you've successfully connected Fyers to Tradingview. With this connection, you can execute trades effortlessly while leveraging Tradingview's comprehensive features. This integration empowers you to make informed decisions faster and manage your trades more efficiently, all within a single, seamless environment. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!